This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
You ready for work? Are you ready for work? You love working. You love working. Huh? Come on, let's go. Let's go to work. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It always warm the truck up in the morning for her. So it's warm for her, the little shit. You are spoiled. Come on, I got you. I got you. Are you ready for work? You love working. You love working. You love working. I know, yeah, you love it. You love working. Oh, yeah, I know you love working. Put the tail on her. Morning, guys. It's March 25th, 2019. This one here, I got a call from a landlord that I work for. The second floor tenant's got a problem with the bathroom sink leaking. The faucet spraying or something. We're gonna go over there and see what's going on with it. Me and Miss Molly are working again, Mama. He said it's leaking down here. Oh, this is flipping loose, probably. Yeah, see how that's leaking? Probably right down. We're gonna tighten that up. Check it. I guarantee that's what it is. Something's wrong here. You took this thing out, right, and then screwed in properly, and it was water was running right down there, I bet. I bet you that's what it was. See, it's not squirting anymore. It's on there properly. Because what happens is there's like a casing in here, right? Yeah. And there's a tube where this connects. Oh. And if this isn't connected properly, right? Okay. And it's not in right, the water's squirting and then running down. Oh, okay. You see what I'm saying? You can see it moving because there's a little tube. Yeah, I think that's it. Because definitely was leaking before. But that's a common problem. So now, next time if you ever take that out, you have to make sure it goes in right.
No, I don't really want my wife.
Your wife did it?
Yeah.
Well, that was easy money. Yeah. That's probably all it was. Make sure it's tight in there. All it was. Okay.
I think you did a shower through that.
Well, what's the matter with the shower?
You up there?
Yeah, well, you'll never get 100%. I mean, that's as good as it's going to get right there. That'll never be 100% because that's just a little wafer setup. You'll never get it 100%. That's fine. If it was running out a lot, well, that's different, but that's fine.
Alright, that's it. That's an easy one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Oh yeah, that was next level. Next level. Huh? You miss Daddy? Yeah, you miss Daddy. Miss Molly. All right, push over. Come on. Come on.